Hello YouTube, this is JillyWearsMakeup, and today I'm going to show you how to do this completely sort of neutrally golden brown look with this fun glitter liner on the lower lash line. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Alright, we're going to start this look out with a primer. This is Urban Decay Primer Potion. You can use whatever you have, whatever you like, whatever works. But I'm going to put some of that on my lid. Then blend it up to my brow and take a little bit along my lower lash line. Alright, knocking stuff over already. Next I'm going to take the color Half Baked by Urban Decay. It looks like this. It's like a gold color. I'm going to take a shadow brush and pack it on there. Just like that. And I'm going to just put this all over my lid. It's like a very warm gold. Alright. Once I have that done, I'm going to take a color from my SLR Deluxe Shadow Palette. It's this color right here. It is called Mocha Cup, so it's like a mocha color. It's a like bronzy brown color. It's very pretty. I'm going to take a big fluffy brush, not really big, but it's like a medium fluffy brush. I'm going to swirl that in there, tap it off. And I'm going to place this in the crease. Going to get a little more, tap it off, swirl it on the other edge, feather it in a little bit. Next I'm going to take my Cash blending brush, blend out those edges. Next I'm going to take a big fluffy shadow brush in the color Ivory Box. Where is it? It's right there. Put that out there and blend. Take a little more, put it right down in here. Then I'm going to take a little bit of Ice Cube. One I always use. Put a little bit right in there. Alright, then I'm going to take this color called Bronze Cube. I don't know why they call it Bronze Cube. It's not a bronzy color. It's a deep chocolate brown, and a small fluffy brush, and just like tap it in there a few times. And I'm going to use that to define the crease a little. I'm going to get about 3/4 of the way in with it. Blend a little. Then I'm going to take Urban Decay's 24/7 Glide On Pencil in the color Bourbon. It's a pretty brown with like gold glitters in it. And I'm going to wow. It's really weird when you get a text message from your ex saying Metro Station makes them miss you. I don't even get that. Oh, Kelsey. I get it now. Haha. But so anyway, I'm going to line my lower lash line, and now I'm going to turn red. kind of embarrassed me. That's kind of sad. Just a text message. I'm the one that read it out loud. Yeah. Okay. Just like that. Then I'm going to take Urban Decay's Heavy Metal Liner in the color Baked. It's a pretty gold glitter. Shake it up. I'm going to take that and I'm going to put that over the bourbon. Just to add a pop of glitter. Then I'm going to take Urban Decay's 24/7 Guide On Pencil in 0. Tight line. Line my waterline. Alright. Now I'm going to go not line, I just lined everything. I'm gonna go put mascara on and curl my lashes and I'll be right back. There you go. Alright, so for my cheeks I'm going to use Estee Lauder Signature Silky Powder Blush in Nude Rose. This color right here. And it is matte, it has no shimmer in it whatsoever, so I thought since we have so much going on with the shimmer on our eyes, we should go with something matte. I'm just going to apply this through the apples of my cheeks. This color's a bit strong on me. I'm going to like blend it out a little. Then for our lips, I'm just going to use like a pinky gloss with like some gold shimmers in it. This is Rose by Estee Lauder. It is a high gloss, ultra brilliant lip gloss. And I already got some of this on. Put a little more on for show. And also what I forgot to mention in the video was I lined half of my upper lash line with the bourbon. And this is our finished look. I hope you liked this and thank you for watching. Bye. We're going to start this look. Ouch. Wow, that sounded weird. Redo.